Hey, have you ever felt bloated, tired for no reason, or just kind of off? That might be your body telling you it needs a little reset. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple recipe that helps support your liver and kidneys naturally, using ingredients you probably already have at home. Your liver and kidneys work 24/7 to filter out toxins, but sometimes, with all the processed food, sugar, and stress, they could use a little extra help. This is not some magic cure, but it's a natural way to support your body and feel a whole lot better. Here's what you'll need. 1 glass of warm water, half a lemon, freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of turmeric, a small piece of fresh ginger, grated, a little honey, optional just to balance the taste. Mix everything together and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and gives your body a natural boost. Why it works. Lemon helps detoxify the liver and promotes hydration. Apple cider vinegar supports digestion and balances pH levels. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and great for the liver. Ginger aids digestion and improves circulation. Warm water helps everything absorb better. Of course, this is just a natural boost, not a replacement for medical advice. If you have any health conditions or concerns, always check with a doctor before trying anything new. Your health is important, so never ignore professional advice. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it. See you in the next one.